Hey everyone! Are you tired of getting the old Joey voice in your get it generating the Joey voice by accident whenever you try to um, create a speech for a new voice? Well, I have some good news. You can I have an idea. You go to resources, app, server, animation, Word 1.4, and such. And you go to go full. Pretend you never saw this one because I'm go to text components, and you might want to use a P code source stuff to edit. And you see where it says 180, the D max characters allowed. If you want to increase it, you can use the P code to increase it. And make sure you oh yeah. Oh, what I forgot. Whenever you want to change the default, and you do it. Then you can replace Joey with Eric. And make sure you change this to in this. And change the max characters to I think that's it. Am I forgetting anything? Just a heads up, be sure you use the P code source to edit. And if you use the action script source to edit, it may not work. And the Program I'm using is JPEG's Free Flash Decompiler. Once you have it, save, and then generate any voice with no limits. With larger limits. There you have it. Joey is no longer your default voice. That's all I have to say. Goodbye. And if you want to see my go full file, I'll send you through the DM me on Discord so I can send you the go full file. My Discord DM is Zachy Paul. Goodbye.